cop has a bright ass light, guys. We got another cop right here. He's calling for backup. Yeah. This cop right here. Cop, stop him. Look at this guy. Oh, great. That modified M6, guys, for you. I love that car. What are we recording with? Let me see. What are we recording with? Oh, this guy got the tablet. He got the full screen. I like it. I like it, bro. I like it.
So we're at HP Man. We're with CDK2. We're out here.
Stay tuned. Cops already here. Vámonos a la verga ya. We're on our way to the next location, guys. The freeway is really packed right now. My homie's like driving reckless as hell too. That's what you gotta love and trust the WRX, right?
Yeah.
And the canyons, this guy's a god, huh? Damn. Alright guys, I got intel that after this location, we're gonna go right there, guys. Downtown LA, guys. Oh damn. The next location is really close to downtown LA, guys.
Like,
we're going to downtown. How do you feel? Holy shit, downtown LA! Oh! Gotta love the downtown LA freeway, guys. Look how crowded this meet is right now. Uh-oh. Woo, it's about to be lit, guys. I haven't been this excited for a spot in a long time, guys. I have never seen a YouTube video of any takeover rig in downtown LA, guys. What the hell is going on right now? I'm excited, nervous, horny. Oh, you're horny too? Yeah, my boy. Alright guys, this is the last location that we're gonna be here. After this, we're going straight into fucking downtown. I'm excited as hell. I never seen anything like this before. It's about to go down today, guys. Have you ever seen a car meet so close to downtown before?
No, never.
And going in there today, actually.
Hey, this one right here.
What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up? Today is making history, bro. Where are we going after this? Downtown. Downtown. Alright, people are already getting ratchet. The view is just beautiful, guys. We got LA right here, guys. Oh. Guys, people are going on the curb. Look at this dude. Hey, get out. Stop trying to come in.
I feel like I'm in. I feel like I'm king. Oh, baby, I'm a rock star. Yeah, I'm a rock star. Yeah, I'm flexing with my guitar. Stuck with my guitar. I got hoes on tour. Ooh, I'm going hard. I'm a rock star, yeah. I'm a rock star, yeah. I'm flexing with my guitar, stuck with my guitar. I got hoes on tour. Ooh, I'm going hard. I'm stuck with my guitar, flexing on your whore. I got hoes on tour, knocking on my door, and I put a 4. I made her feel euphoric. That jacket had a snore, that jacket had a snore. Nigga, I'm a bad influence. My circle got him suited. I'm icy like a coolant. Little bitch, I thought you knew this. Hey, they say I'm a nuisance. Got fatty like I'm Zuvit, relaxing like a Buddhist. Got Martins and I'm booted. Yeah. She say I'm a rock star.
Guys, Staples Center's right here, guys. Oh my god! No! Oh my god! It's downtown LA, guys! Oh! Guys! We're in the heart of downtown LA! Staples Center, guys! Staples Center! Downtown LA! we can. Staples Center right there, guys. Oh my God. We got the fireworks in the background, guys. It's wild right now. We got fireworks. We out here, baby. It's lit. Out here in downtown LA, baby. Virgin grounds, virgin grounds. Hey, that's right, bro. It's lit, bro. It's lit. CDK for the win, baby. Let's go. Dude, the magnitude of this event is crazy, guys. Oh my God, guys. Legit in downtown, dude. That's right. There's only three. There's only three. Yeah. Oh, hell no! Get out of here! Oh my God, it's a wrap, guys! It's a wrap! Oh my God! Guys, oh my God! Security, hey, what do you think about this? What do you think about this? Where are we at, George? Where are we at?
The Staples Center, dude. LA Live.
Have you ever seen a meet like that?
No, we at LA Live right now.
We're getting lit.
Saturday night.
That guy fell down, guys. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Dude, Staples Center security is like, what's going on here? Damn. History was just made, guys. They're like, what's going on right here, guys? They had no idea what just happened right now, guys. Securities are just having a good time, guys. They weren't ready for this, guys. Oh my God. I have never been so hyped for a meet, guys. This one like has to be the best one yet, huh? It's gonna be hard for anybody to top this, guys. Anybody. Later, buddy, later. Let's go. Oh, I gotta go. Cops are here. Alright. Dude, cops are coming in right now, guys. They got wild right now, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, it's that way for left. Cops are stopping traffic. Oh, by the way, and the homie picked me up with the 900 horsepower M6. This shit is badass, guys. Hey!
Fuck's wrong with you? Have respect.
Have respect!
You're a fucking public servant.
Fuck you! Legit, we out here, guys. Staples Center, guys. Oh my God.
Wait, what?
Hey, the cops from ready, huh?
Ready to fucking cops.
Oh my God.
Right now.
That thing sounds like a monster. When I thought I had seen it all, guys. Just what we thought. Where are we at right now, dude?
Show him.
Grand and second, guys. The Disney Hall. What the hell, dude? Oh my God. What do you think about Staples Center, bro?
Oh, dude, I don't need to do it.
Dude.
What the fuck? The only one time that happened there was a Laker riot.
Yeah, and now
No Lakers.
some expensive ass buildings right here. We got the Disney Hall, we have this thing, and we have the courthouse right there, guys. So it's just crazy. Oh my God, I can't believe we're in this spot, guys. Never has it been done before, guys. Never. First time ever to set foot on this thing right here, guys. Look what's happening behind me, guys. In downtown LA, the heart of like that. I like that. Hey, can you talk like them? Huh? Can you talk like them?
No. Banana.
Oh. I'm surprised that there's no cops here at all, huh? No chopper, no cops, no nothing, huh?
I mean, honestly, bro, that's a good thing, right?
That's a good thing, yeah,
I think
but
that's a good thing.
it's just crazy, huh?
Let's get the bakery, you know, warmed up again. Let's go. Where the donuts at, though?
Oh, this one right here. This one.
There you go, that's-
Oh, that's the one. That's the one. Oh my God! This is crazy, guys! Oh my God! What is going on right now, guys? What did CDK provide to you today? History lesson, right?
Bro, we're in downtown LA.
We've been reading this all over the fucking textbooks in like 20 years.
Guys, securities are like, what the hell's going on, guys? They were taking over right here too, guys. In here, they were taking over in here as well. What the hell, guys? Alright guys, so we're ending the night with this beautiful ass M6, guys. 900 horsepower. Today was just beautiful. It was epic, guys. I don't know. CDK really blew my mind. Did he blow your balls too?
Blew him away.
It was like,
I don't even have balls anymore.
dude, I'm about to lose my balls. But anyways, guys, today was wild, guys. Downtown LA was a success. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang family.